hotel housekeeper shared a secret with me that you'll never find online. Just stick a few pads under the toilet seat and spray them with your favorite air freshener. Every time you lift the seat, it releases a fresh, pleasant scent, just like in luxury hotels. Now for the toilet itself. Place the toilet brush inside the bowl and lower the lid to hold it in place. Pour toilet cleaner over the brush, spray some disinfectant, and sprinkle scented beads on top. Add some fabric softener and dish soap. The more colors, the better. Then sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda, which naturally removes limescale and buildup. Add some shaving foam and even more scented beads. Then again, add dish soap in a different color. Pour plenty of vinegar over everything. The mixture will start to fizz, creating an active foam that cleans every corner of the toilet. Scrub with the brush as usual. After flushing, you'll see a result like after professional cleaning. The toilet will shine and smell fresh for weeks. The combo of scented pads and foaming cleaner gives you hotel-level cleanliness and fragrance,